Welcome to the Rim Break Rodeo. We hope this video helps.
In this video, I will explain how to make delicious Filipino macaroons. First, gather all your ingredients, like 200 grams of shredded coconut, 120 milliliters of condensed milk, and 2 egg yolks. Make sure your mini cupcake liners are ready on a baking sheet. Preheat your oven to 175 degrees Celsius, which is 350 degrees Fahrenheit, so it's ready for baking. Now, let's mix our batter. In a large bowl, combine the shredded coconut, condensed milk, and egg yolks. Then, add 2 tablespoons of melted butter and 1 teaspoon of vanilla extract to enhance the flavor. Stir everything together really well until all the ingredients are fully incorporated and the mixture is consistently moist. This ensures a perfect texture for your macaroons. It's time to shape and bake. Carefully scoop the macaroon mixture into your mini cupcake liners, filling each one about 3/4 of the way. Place these filled liners onto your baking sheet, ensuring there's a little space between each so they bake evenly. Pop them into your preheated oven for about 15 to 20 minutes, or until you see those beautiful golden brown tops. Almost done. Once your macaroons are out of the oven, let them cool completely on a wire rack. This step is crucial because as they cool, they will firm up nicely, making them much easier to handle and enjoy. These delightful treats are perfect as a sweet snack or a lovely dessert. Enjoy your homemade Filipino macaroons.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.